In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel plans on Calendly as a guest. Occasionally, plans change and you might find yourself in need of cancelling an appointment you had scheduled through Calendly. Whether it's a work meeting, a consultation, or a casual catch-up, knowing how to gracefully cancel your plans can save both you and the host from any unnecessary inconvenience. Let's walk through the process together. Initially, your journey begins in a very familiar place, your Gmail inbox. This is usually where Calendly sends the confirmation and reminder emails after you've booked an appointment, so open your Gmail to start. Once you're there, navigate through your emails to locate the invitation from Calendly. This invitation email is crucial because it contains all the details about your appointment, including the unique link you'll need to cancel the meeting. After finding the invitation email, open it. Inside, along with the details of the date, time, and type of the meeting, you should see a keyword that's our point of interest here. Cancel. Next to this word, there's a link. This link is tailored specifically to your appointment, providing a straightforward way to initiate the cancellation process. Click on it. Clicking that link redirects you to the Calendly website, specifically to your scheduled events page. Here, Calendly offers a considerate feature allowing you to add a message to your cancellation. This step is optional, but recommended. Leaving a brief message can be a thoughtful way to explain to the host why you need to cancel, whether it's due to unforeseen circumstances, a scheduling conflict, or simply needing to reschedule for another time. It keeps the communication clear and polite, which is especially important in professional settings. After typing out your message, if you choose to leave one, you'll notice a confirmation prompt. Yes, cancel. This is the final step in the process. Clicking this confirms your intention to cancel the appointment. It's a simple click, but it triggers Calendly to notify the host of the cancellation, thereby updating both of your schedules accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your appointment. A few additional tips to remember include checking your email for a cancellation confirmation from Calendly, which serves as a written record of the cancellation, considering rescheduling instead of cancelling if the meeting is necessary, but the timing is the issue. Calendly makes it easy to find another slot. And lastly, if you're cancelling close to the appointment time, a courteous follow-up email or call to the host, if appropriate, could be a thoughtful gesture, ensuring they're aware of the cancellation, especially if they haven't checked their Calendly notifications yet. Cancelling an appointment as a guest on Calendly is a straightforward process designed to maintain smooth communication between you and the host. By following these steps, you can ensure that your cancellation is handled gracefully, keeping your professional and personal relationships intact. Life is unpredictable, but how we handle changes to our plans shouldn't add to the chaos. With this tutorial, you're now more equipped to manage your schedule effectively and considerately. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay organized and respectful of others' time and make the most out of your planning tools.